Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and those who are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Well guys, today I'm here with another recipe of buffalo meat. Yes, today also we are going to make something out of this buffalo meat. Well, recently I've been eating lots of pickles which I have received from Purchase Pickle. So I thought that why don't I make pickle for myself. So today we will be making buff pickle from this buffalo meat, and this is my own version of pickle which I'll be making today. So let's start cooking. In a pressure cooker, I'm going to add some water. I've added 2 cups of water. Then we will add this buff. You can cook this meat in an open vessel also. But like I said last time, in an open vessel it will take time. So I'm making it in a pressure cooker. Now we will add some salt. And we will add this red dried chilies in this pressure cooker. Cover it, and we will wait for 7-8 whistles. Okay guys, I think also pakishi pare to namai dibo. So we will check whether it's cooked properly or not. So just check if it can be shredded by your hand, then it's cooked properly. So it's cooked properly. We will remove all one by one. Then we have this dry red chilies. So dry red chilies also, we will remove everything. We will pound it. It's already cooked. Everyone have their different way of adding this dry red chilies. I like to do this, boil it in the meat itself, or at the end you can just add some chili powder or chili flakes. So bolai dishe moi chili also and this dip also. It's too hot, so we will keep aside and we will wait for it to cool down. Mangso to thanda hoise, so by the time we will pound this ginger and garlic also. Okay, it's done. So we will take out and we will squeeze the juices. Now you don't need this, so we will just throw this. Yeah, garlic to go. One by one could be, so that it will be easy to pound. Otherwise, garlic to polai jabo. Okay, mangso to thanda hoise, so we will start shredding. Tel gorom koribo. I'm using mustard oil. Oil to gorom hoise. Now we will add this ginger and garlic. This is ginger. Ginger, okay, and garlic. After adding this, now we will add a pinch of salt. In a medium flame, we will fry this like 2 minutes. Remember, don't burn it. Now we will add this shredded meat. Fry it in a medium flame. I'm going to add some salt. Remember, while boiling the meat, I've added some salt there. So just taste it, and if you feel that the salt is less, then you can add it. Occasionally you should stir it. 이제 7 to 8 minutes 나오지? 뭐 프라이 버리나? It's already sound crispy. So now I'm going to add some dry bamboo shoot. This dry bamboo shoot will give you a tangy flavor. So after adding the bamboo shoot, we will fry like 2 to 3 minutes. It's been like 2-3 minutes. Now we will add this dry red chilies. I've already pounded. After adding the dry red chilies, we will fry like 2 minutes. If you want, you can add some chili powder also. 망솔라 pickle aze dum nyam marcha bishi halish de. Dhunga wala jawajido. Chalo guys, our buff pickle is done. चलो गाइस अभी मोला बफ ला पिकल तो हुई है चलो बनाई से ज़्यादा टेस्ट करूँगा क्रिस्पी भी हो जाए क्रप क्रप तो उड़ाई जाए बिजी वाला से बफ पिकल बिजी दिन बड़ा खाने तो आज बना तो बिजी टेस्टी है जाए हाँ I've used that raw meat, and like I said before, like I've boiled that dry red chilies also. So you can just keep this for like a 1 month in fridge. If you want to keep it for a longer period, then you can use that smoked meat and also use chili flakes or chili powder, so that you can keep it for another 3-4 months. So that's it. Ito raw meat pa buna lang asa na. Bishi bhala ase to aro moi bishi bhal lagise. So guys, if you like watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification icon, so whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will get a notification, and don't forget to hit the like button also. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Tada.